Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy some Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency on Coinbase, right? And before I get into this video guys, all I want you guys to do is just to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends, anybody who you think this will help. And yeah, this will keep our channel going and just continuously dropping videos for you guys. So you guys should have already made your Coinbase account. If you haven't made your Coinbase account, you guys should check out my other video where I basically showed you guys how to sign up for Coinbase. But now in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually purchase some Bitcoin, right? So let's get into it. The first thing you have to do is you're gonna click this button right here, this blue button, and then you're gonna press buy. So you press buy crypto, and then once you click that you press BTC, right? And then from there I'm going to select my payment method. So you guys could select multiple different payment methods, right? So for now I'm just going to use my card, and I'm just going to put 5 because there's a $5 limit on my card, right? So I press preview buy. Once I press preview buy, then you see the amount of Bitcoin that you're about to purchase, and then you can just press buy now. So once you press buy on the amount of Bitcoin that you choose to buy, either you're trying to buy Cello, Stellar, there's multiple different types of cryptocurrencies that you could buy. Hold on, let me go back. But there's multiple different cryptocurrencies that you could buy. As you can see here, once you press buy here, you'll see multiple different cryptocurrencies, from Ethereum to Litecoin to Chainlink to Stellar. So you could buy all these different cryptocurrencies through Coinbase. And as I said, the link is below for you guys to sign up, and you guys would actually get the free $10 when you sign up through my link. So that's basically free money when you sign up through my link. Otherwise, if you sign up, you won't get that $10, and plus you get paid to learn about Bitcoin. So I think the bonus is like $50. So if you guys want to sign up, just click my link and you guys will be able to subscribe to Coinbase, and you'll be able to buy multiple different cryptocurrencies, right? So subscribe to the channel. We drop videos like these every single day for you guys, so you can learn how to trade and invest and build your wealth over time. So for more videos like this, just subscribe to the channel, and see you guys tomorrow in the next video.